attack. Attack, attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Attack. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know say NEWLINK there and from NEWLINK production and we say attack. So people, you see anytime we say act of kindness, you see anytime we see people out there who do show their love and their care and they need to get highlight people, NEWLINK always go highlight them. And to the people, I'm going to highlight a lady who goes by the name of Sonia Patterson, people, and she have a program that she call Sonia Patterson Cares. And I'm telling the people, this lady is doing some marvelous work across Jamaica, people, across the 14 parishes where she's going out, people, even up to now, and issuing out care packages to people. I'm telling the people, this lady, who is a lady for the promoter of the Portland Curry Festival, people, and the many Portland Curry Festival pageant and them stuff, the people, I'm telling her, she's doing so much wonderful things in Jamaica. And I'm telling her, people, she is also one of the big sponsor for the NEWLINK Back to School 2020. You understand? So I'm highlighting this lady today, people, Miss Sonia Patterson. And in the whole process, people, she also has a YouTube channel that she's doing her thing where she posts her works them, and so you can go over there and check out her contents them, people, because she have the where she go out and do her charity organize, you know what I mean, different establishment, different places that she went to. She's based in the United States, people, where she's currently a nurse who is working 24/7, you understand, trying to, you know what I mean, you know, this COVID thing is a spy thing, so she's there pushing out and, you know what I mean, giving her, people, I'm telling you, this lady, Sonia Patterson, is one of the most remarkable women out of Jamaica. She's also a manager for several female entertainers out there. You know what I mean? Maca Diamond, The Angel, just to name a few. So Sonia Patterson is not nobody new to the whole industry, people. But I'm telling you, the work that this lady is doing across Jamaica, people, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. She's doing some wonderful and some marvelous thing. And even the lady that I highlighted in Portland, people, who for hours, she said, was almost fell down on her and thing, Miss Sonia Patterson is also organizing her team in Jamaica to go visit this lady, people. And you know what I mean, I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, this lady is such a wonderful and remarkable lady, Miss Sonia Patterson. So our channel name is Sonia Patterson Cares, and I'm going to leave a link below. But this video, people, where you can just click on it and go right over to our channel and view the works that she has been doing. And I also going to showcase a video of a charity that she put on, you know, where she's giving out her care package, because she got her team in Jamaica who go out and, you know, the video, they keep the mic and they talk to the people, you know what I mean, to show that they care and the love and the support. And I'm going to showcase a video, people. It's a few minutes, well, you understand, so you can just watch it, enjoy, people, and that will show you how Sonia Patterson do cares. So you don't know the thing, go NEWLINK, I have to highlight good people like these people, because I don't know NEWLINK have a good art, and that's why we say NEWLINK Back to School treat 2020. We need the support from the people, and we need the love. And for everybody who has support the thing, we appreciate you all so much, and God bless you all. You understand? For everybody who still has a NEWLINK, John, if me did have me that support, and you, thanks for the love and thanks for the strength, and God bless you all too. But Sonia Patterson do cares, and she's on board with NEWLINK. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. It's just love, respect, and peace, and be good and be great. Attack.
Better, indeed. Of course, my engineer is Jonathan, Malcolm, and with us also is Washu, all the way from America. And it's a beautiful day. I just going over past right here, indeed, and we can look around. We can see Samuel's Hardware right over there, and to my left here is the supermarket for Quality Traders Supermarket, right behind me right here, and approaching, of course, Sunshine Village, and where we have H3ART radio station with the turkey right here, indeed. And the transportation that we're using right now is H3ART. I am Kash is my driver. And don't forget Queen Makeda, indeed, a part of the team. And she's out in business today, but of course she'll be back, indeed, right here. We gotta also say enough love to, of course, Marilda, in America, and also Aisha in England. Of course, we also have a team from Trinidad and all the way across the Caribbean. Indeed. You gotta come with us as we show you where the H3ART radio station is right about now.
My name is Sonia Patterson, and I am the booking agent for Safe Booking. I am the promoter for the Portland Curry Festival and the director for the Minimis Portland, Jamaica. Now, I have been doing these shows for many years. We have been going around and helping as much people as we can over the years. With this pandemic that has come out, there's a lot of people out there that needs food, and we are willing to try and see if we can help. We have started in Portland, Jamaica, and we are hoping to go to most of the parishes. I noticed a video on YouTube the other day with Great Amaziah, or Amaziah the Great, and I really was touched with the video that he put out there. 10 most things that bothers him. So I reached out to him and asked him, let's get together and do Spanish Town. This is Amaziah's hometown, and I was pleased that he was on board before I could snap my fingers. So please look out, we may be coming to your town next. We have gone to 2 parishes, we are going to a 3rd parish this week, and so on. So please look out, we are coming to you next. Bye.
Okay, family, my family out there, welcome to Negril. This is our first time doing our delivery for Sonia Patterson, of course, Cares, and this is a phenomenon. This is a great moment that we need for you guys to lock in and experience this very interesting giveaways. Of course, it's brought to you by Sonia Patterson Cares, and we are the team from H3ART Radio, and my name is Ken Solomon, the Blessed One, and with me is
Washun Sanakawa from North America.
Oh, North America. Beautiful combination, North America and Jamaica. It sounds poetic indeed. We welcome you in the mighty name of the Most High. We're going to be looking for Mr. Taylor. Indeed, are we at West End? To be exact, what's the name of this place? Wesleyan Mountain?
Yeah, Negril.
Yes.
And this is West Land Mountain Road.
Yes.
And a side street coming over.
Great.
I don't know the name, but we're in this yard. Let me say this. Back home, we are land poor and cash rich.
Yes.
And here you are land rich and cash poor.
Oh, what
so
a thing.
together, when we bring our forces together, we solve each other's
Problem, yes.
So those up north, you have to understand that your personal situation is not the problem. Your personal situation is in the way of the cart, and we need to put the horse in the right position. So that what we need us in our proper orientation. Right now, we're out of order.
Yes.
The fault don't lie with I and I. The fault lie with the one that's not present, that's keeping all of us.
Yes, indeed.
But we're not mad at them. We just want to get them out of our way.
Beautiful talk. Beautiful talk. Right here, we're about to go and look for Mr. Taylor, and come with me. We're going to deliver some stuff to Mr. Taylor, all courtesy of Sonia Patterson. This is our transportation, and this is where we are, showing you all the stuff. We're going to be asking Washu to take the grocery out. Come with me.
Ain't late.
It's not late.
It's heavy.
Coming up this evening. Keep yourself quiet.
That's the guard dog.
Indeed, that's the guard dog right here. The guard dog is with us.
He's doing his job.
Indeed. This is Mr. Taylor's residence at West End, Westland Mountain in West End, Negril, Jamaica. And this is Mr. Taylor. Welcome, Mr. Taylor.
Yes.
To H3ART Radio. Yeah. And of course, Sonia Patterson Cares. Take a look at the camera and say good evening.
Good evening.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The world.
And all the world.
Okay, we're going to be asking Mr. Taylor what his correct name. Tell us your correct name, sir.
My name is Clifford Taylor.
Clifford Taylor. And your origin from Negril?
No, St. Mary.
Ah.
Oh, your origin from St. Mary.
Yeah.
I would like Washun to ask. You have any question to ask, Washun?
Yeah, I would like to know, is St. Mary's land like country or?
Yeah, big country.
Ah.
Big country, large parish.
I haven't been there yet.
St. Mary is a nice place, very nice place.
I have one other thing to ask you. What is your craft? What did you do across the years?
Well, I'm a painter.
You're a painter, for professional painter.
Professional painter.
Yeah.
Oh, great. So if you out there and want something to paint, your house to paint, you find the right man, of course, Mr. Taylor, indeed, right here. How long have you been doing painting?
About 30 odd years now.
Wow.
30 odd years. Your biggest project, what would you say?
Hotel up by Chuckles Hotel.
Chuckles Hotel?
In Negril.
So you check out Chuckles Hotel and you know that Mr. Taylor do that, you know, man. Yes, indeed. Cool, indeed. Great. Mr. Taylor, what the advice you have to offer to youngsters out there to have a trade?
Well, it's the best thing for youngsters to get a trade. When you have a trade, you have everything.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can do anything and no one can push you around. You have a trade.
Yes.
You can live by.
Yes.
So that is very good. To learn a trade is very, very good.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Mr. Taylor, I'm a tradesman. I did construction for 30-something years.
Yeah.
But guess what? My father started us 7 boys in painting. I was up on a ladder because I was the youngest.
Yeah.
I go up high. Yeah, so we
Great.
started as painters. This is my respect to you, brother. Yeah.
Respect to you every time. And we have to give thumbs up to Miss Sonia Patterson, all courtesy of this giveaway today. You can look at the box here. I'll ask my cameraman to just look at the box. Sonia Patterson cares. Tell you a history about Miss Sonia Patterson. Miss Sonia Patterson is from Portland and she's now reside in Florida. She is the president of Patterson Youth Sports and Samaritan Club, that they do events like Curry Festival in Portland, that they offer a stage for the talent to perform worldwide. Alright? Then we do have Mini Miss Port Antonio, which give the youngsters an opportunity to build their self-esteem.
Yes.
Because you know, some ladies out there are lacking in self-esteem and want them to be proud of their goodie. I don't like to call it body. It's goodie.
Yeah,
it's good. It's not bad.
Virtue.
And it's a virtue. And then now this event come to the COVID-19. Miss Sonia Patterson decided to start this event to collab with Artworks Radio. And I want you to take a look in the basket. And I'm going to ask Mr. Taylor to just put down the box. And I'm going to ask Mr. Taylor to just take them out one by one, that you can look and see all the things that Sonia Patterson have to offer in her cares. Sonia Patterson cares. Taylor, are you living alone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, alone for the time.
Yeah.
Yes, so Mr. Taylor is living all alone. So all these stuff is from Mr. Taylor that can serve him a month or two, indeed. Take it inside, take it inside. You can take a look at Mr. Taylor's residence. Not looking bad at all. Not looking bad at all, Mr. Taylor.
And let me tell you, I'm very thankful to what I receive.
Yes.
I mean, God bless you and keep you.
Yes.
And keep your business going.
Yes.
Yes. And pray that God will always give your store basket never empty.
Thank you for the blessing.
Thank you for the
Never
blessing.
empty. For the good work is good and God appreciates it.
Yes.
Yes, Lord.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. God bless you, brother.
Give thanks, of course, to Sonia Patterson. If it wasn't for Miss Sonia Patterson, we couldn't have been doing this today. And of course, we hear from the Artworks radio station, and we have a good partner right here with me. Is
Washun Sanakawa from the C3HA on Hot Wax Blazing FM.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And of course, you need to get in contact with us. You can call us right here at 1-876-582-2704. Keep it blessed and keep it real. Okay, welcome, Blessed Chicken.
All wrapped up.
All wrapped up. And let us dip in the basket again. And this is a package again.
Okay.
Tissues, bleach, soap.
Yeah, all your toiletries and your cares.
All of it.
Personal
Sony Patches and cares. Just
and
like
can I
this.
say something?
Indeed.
Solomon.
Indeed. Go ahead.
It was soap and fragrances that our people in the West brought to the world.
Yes.
A lot of people don't know it. We're the ones that took all the essence from everything and made those oils and different things. And we're going to start doing it again. It's our time again. So these natural things that won't offend us anymore.
Yes.
Okay? Because sometimes they put stuff in the deodorants and the soaps like
alloys
and aluminum and stuff.
Good.
It's killing
Kill
us.
you.
So it gets allergic.
The body don't absorb
reaction
it.
and
Right.
sometimes we break out.
All kind of
Yes, sir.
disease.
Yes,
So the
sir.
natural
Yes, sir.
ingredients is we want to bring back to the forefront.
So let's go back to, and all of this. That's the kids. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Put your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen are watching this delivery right here, indeed. I'm going to call you across to present all of this to you, all courtesy of Sonia Pattison. And of course, on behalf of H3ART team radio right here, I'm in myself and Jonathan. Of course, you have Juta Rhymes, and you have also Ayakasha, and of course, Queen Makeda. Of course, she's not here right now, but she's a part of the team. And we have to say enough respect every time.
H3ART. Yeah.
H3ART Radio.
I'll never forget my cousin Judy McLaughlin, KLS FM, you know. Yes, man.
But this is
yes, man.
H3ART
But this is
H3ART
FM. I'm very thankful, regardless of my outer appearance.
No, you look fine.
You look fine. You
I
look
am
fine.
because of, you know, and what you said about that's going around.
Yeah.
So I'm very aware now,
Yes.
and a bit skeptic,
Yes.
you know, because they said that they are
COVID-19.
go like 6 inches apart.
Yes.
I don't know how that come in, because
Yes.
true love is true love. You understand me? But you have got to protect yourself.
Yes, you got an ear on the side of
just like
caution.
me, I'm very sorry I'm not supposed to be breathing near to you.
Right.
Because I don't want you to get contagious.
Right.
Of what I've got. But it's strange but true. Last night I wasn't sick. So when I got up this morning now and then, maybe somebody else entered the room. Maybe the breath that they were breathing, but I wasn't sick. Like this and my joints and stuff. But
Don't worry,
Almighty
sir.
God, I got to
You're not
see
sick,
me and say, you know
man.
what, I'm not lying down in the bed. I'm going to get up and come outside and get some fresh air.
So
Here we are, you're coming out
Because
in the
I
fresh
didn't
air.
because,
You're coming out
you
in the
know,
fresh
and
air of
to
Sonia
get
Pattison.
grocery.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Collaborating with H3ART Radio, with
And
the
I
Turkey
feel-
and Solomon the Blessed
feel
One
like
right
it-
here.
I feel
And
like-
my team right here are washing.
Yes, sir.
He has a lot of
I
information.
just
Talk to
want
us.
to share something with
Because
you.
I wasn't feeling good a while
When
ago,
you
know.
feel a little bit coming on you,
Even if you
right?
told me that,
You take you some baking soda and water, okay, warm, right? And then you take separately, you get some virgin coconut oil with some ganja, right? And you sear it down till you just smell the coconut oil, right? And then you take it on down, okay? You do that every day and all the negativity will leave your body.
I could try the
Okay.
aloe vera as well. The aloe vera as
Well,
Nah.
aloe vera-
You heard what he just said? If you listen what he said, right.
Aloe vera is good.
Listen.
Aloe vera is good too.
Right.
There's so much person
He's
talking
telling you about
the
something.
cure. But guess what we're going to be doing? I want to take a little look around the compound here that viewers
So-
watch and see the beauty of nature right here.
So
indeed,
at what?
Tyrone Lee Place.
At what?
Come with me, Mr.
At
Cameraman.
wax. At
Come
wax.
with me. We have to just show around and let you see around the place. All right?
And
This
the-
is Jamaica. Come, of course, to H3ART Radio. I'm with your Turkey Ken Solomon, the Blessed One. We are live right here, and we are at the residence of Negril himself. Indeed, my brethren. So relaxing. He's a man that, of course, I buy fish from and all of that, and he's a fisherman in the community, hard-working gentleman, and we respect every moment of this. Indeed, of course, all this, of course, cares is Sonia Pattison, and we got to give big respect to Miss Sonia Pattison, all courtesy of H3ART Radio, right here. Indeed, Neville, welcome.
Welcome to you.
Talk to us.
Yes, sir. Respect, sir.
Tell us your name.
Neville Ebanks.
Neville Ebanks.
Yes, sir.
And you're from
St. Elizabeth Abang.
St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
But we are now in Negril. So how long since you're living in
Long time, so about 30 years.
over 30 odd years?
Yes.
And you're living here with your family?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yes, indeed. And we are here to give you a package
Yes,
of food stuff,
yes,
all courtesy of Sona Pat's in Florida.
yes.
And Sona Pat's is a lady that goes all around the island to help people with food stuff and this, especially in a time like this,
Okay.
COVID-19.
Yeah.
You know, she's spreading her wings across Jamaica to assist the persons in Jamaica with a package of food delivery.
Yeah.
And of course, you are one of the chosen persons that we came here today to deliver a package to you. In a while, we're going to be taking the package to you, but our cameraman is right now. We are just zooming in and everything right here, indeed. Tell us a little bit about, of course, how you find it in this COVID-19.
Well, it's really hard, sir. Really hard because
Alright.
you know, you go fishing and do not
Yes.
Yeah.
And sometimes they take away your fish pot.
Yes, take away in yard.
Oh,
And things a little bit hard for
package care. Put it right beside. This is for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is I don't have a space to take them out that you can see what in the bag.
You got it.
Courtesy of Sonia Patterson here. Miss Sonia Patterson is a lady. She also deliver a package in Portland that they call the Portland Curry Festival, and also Mini Miss Portland Curry Festival, and that of course help the youngsters in their self-esteem and give the artists and the entertainers a feel that they can express themselves, indeed. And this time she goes around with Sona Cares to deliver a package